Hello, hello. I am back with my next design team project using Carta Bella Summer Camp. So I'm calling this my alternating page album. And I had a lady that I met at the St. Louis retreat that we were somehow got talking about like albums and picture sizes, and she goes, I just want something that's just 4x6. And I'm like, I will do that. So this is kind of a fun take on 4x6. And you're probably looking at this going, dude, that's bigger than 4x6, because it is. It's 7x7, but there's a reason. So on the front here, I've got one of the cut aparts that I've just matted and left open in the back. So I've got a couple of the smaller cut aparts tucked in there as tags. Just one of the stickers there and another one there. And then just that fun like subway art page on the back. So the reason this is my alternating album is the page sizes alternate back and forth. So the pages are 4.5 by 6.5. Some run portrait, some run landscape. And I go through how to do this. It's on just like the normal hinge system that you're all used to using. But I do go through all of this in the tutorial, which I will be editing and uploading tomorrow. But let's just take a look here. So I've got some of the stickers here and kind of made a little campsite. And then you open this up, and then we've got just some bigger photo mats here. I did leave the back of those blank just so you can put your own pictures on there. There is a magnet in there to hold that. This one, I actually forgot to put my tie underneath my thing, and which is typical for me because that's just what I do. So I did like this little kind of tie that sticks up above my little ephemera piece there. And so this opens this way, and you've got room for 3 more 4x6. Each page has an insert that will also hold the taller pages, the portrait style pages, will hold another 4x6 on their insert. The landscape pages, it's a tiny bit smaller. So right here, we've just got, let me grab my cut apart, sorry. A belly band here that you can put 4x6 pictures in, and then we've got just a little tuck spot on the bottom that is going to keep those from like sliding out the bottom of your book. Okay. Over here on our first landscape page, this has 2 4x4 and then a 4x6 in the middle, and that just ties. And we've got another insert, and this one will do a 4 by like 5.5, 5 3/4. So just cut a little tiny bit off the side and it will slide right on in there. Okay, this is just a pocket that again will hold 4x6 pictures. I have a very small waterfall here just because I couldn't not do a waterfall. You guys know me better than that. The waterfall is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, so it'll hold 4x4 pictures. And that does tie. And then I've got another, that same little portrait orientation insert. Why not? There we go. All right. So on this side, we've got just another photo flip. Again, 4x6 by 4x6. On the next landscape page, we've got our insert again. And so this one just opens out the other way for your landscape 4x6s. And then again, we've got the belly band with the tuck spot at the bottom. And then I did just mat one of the ephemera pieces and put that on there. For this side, we've got just another pocket side load that will again hold a 4x6 pictures. And then I've got this little flip out. It goes this way and also pulls out all the way that way. I've got another tuck spot here. And then this has a magnet in here and just flips up, and then you've got a nice size pocket for more 4x6 pictures. So this goes together really, really fast. You will be amazed at how fast this goes together. And you end up using a lot of your scraps and things for some of the elements in the book. So that's always a good thing. So I will get this tutorial uploaded today, in the morning, because it's late. And I hope you enjoy it. As always, if you end up making this project, please share it on Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on Facebook and also on my Facebook page, Scrapping Under the Influence. Thank you!